My name is Alex Post, and I'm a manufacturing engineer at Worksport. My day-to-day changes a lot. I never really have the same day twice. Making the assemblers' lives easier is probably the most important part. We want to make sure that everyone on the floor can do their job safely, and we want to make sure everyone goes home with the 10 digits they came in with. Most people day-to-day probably don't know the amount of challenges that we face having proprietary equipment and proprietary design. Is the problem with the equipment, is the problem with the parts, and kind of keeping the line moving. After we get the parts designed in Missouri, they'll get the samples down there, and then they'll send production parts here. And once we have the production parts, we can make jigs and fixtures to help them be affixed to the cover in whatever method is necessary. Worksport knows that there was a need for better tonneau cover in the field, so the design is proprietary in order to meet the needs of the customers, and also ease of assembly is a good thing for us here. But Worksport tries to fill the gap in the market for the need for a better tonneau cover. I'm most proud of seeing how the company has grown. We've kind of grown from a little crew working in what the room is kitting now. As we've grown, we've designed, we've stepped up our equipment, we've made our equipment better, our quality has improved, and just overall, I'm happy where we're at, and I'm happy to keep moving upwards to trying to make our covers quality more consistent and durable. We want customers to know that we hear their feedback, and here at Worksport we're constantly improving based on customer feedback and trying to make our tonneau cover the best that it could possibly be.